Just to see it very carefully. After that I shall be asking you regarding this discussion. So A has many types of sounds. A-U-C, C-A-R, car. Tell with me, car. A sound is there. Okay? A sound is there. R, car. It's not A sound is there. And next you see B-A-T, bat. A sound is there, bat. Tell me, bat. Yes.
Bat.
Next one is want. Only A. Want. Okay.
Want.
Next is A, only A. And next one is and next one is you see A, long sound, may, say, day. Okay. These are the sounds. These are the 6 types of sounds. When A is there, we have to say according to the position of the letters. Okay. Next you see B is also normal. That's why I don't see B. So C, how to pronunciate the C? Before E-I-Y, if the C is coming, then we have to say it sa. Okay. Next you see scent, city, cycle, circus, acid. So C is coming before I, E and Y. If the C is coming before I, E, Y, then what will happen? We have to make it sa. Okay. Now you see, if the C, after the C any vowel is coming, then it will be ka. Its sound will be ka. Then you see ka. Then it is the sound of ka. So how it is to be? You see, car, cap. So if the C is coming after in the beginning, and it is only A is coming, A sound is coming, then it is sound will be ka. Okay. That means car. It is not ka, then mixed sound will be there, car and cap. Not ka, cap and car. It is car. Ka sound is there. Okay. So tell with me, car. Yes, cap. Yes, like that. So C, even before A, C is coming, then it is ka sound is making. And if C is coming before E, I, Y, it is making the sound of sa, like that. Then E has 3 kinds of sounds. You see, A sound, then A sound, and E sound. Next you see B-E-D, bad.
B-E-D, bad.
Then A sound, M-O-T-H-E-R, mother. Mother. Okay? Tell me.
O-T-H-E-R, mother.
Yes. Then badi E, that means double E when it is coming, it sound is giving the pressure. That means seam. B. Yes, B, not B like that. B. Okay, you have to stay some second. Then G sound. You see 2 types of G sounds are there, and here you can see the sounds here. One is G and one is J. Okay, so G, you see when the G is, how is the G is coming? G-U-N, gun. Okay?
G-U-N, gun.
Yes. G-E-A-R, gear.
G-E-A-R,
Gear. Now, if these are coming, G sound is there. But if the G is coming before E, I, Y, that means before the C, like C, it is coming, C-E, I, Y, then its sound will be J. That means jam. Please tell with me, jam. Giant. Gym. Geometry. Germ. So, yes. So you see, G is coming before E and I and Y. That's why its sound is coming like J. But if there is no E, I, Y only, then it will be coming. So it will be coming that only gun, g sound. Okay? Only g sound will be there. Now I has 4 kinds of sounds. I. So when to use I? HIT, hit. Tell me. Tell with me.
HIT, hit.
Then I, NINE, nine.
NINE, nine.
I. When E is there, vowel is there in the last, no? Then its sound is not E, it's I. It's I. Its sound makes I. Next one you can see a. Okay. So FIRST, first. First. Tell me.
First.
Yes. And that is I. That means HIRE, high.
Higher.
Very good. Next you see K. This is the sound of K. K silent and sometimes K we have to say. If K is coming directly, then it is K. Okay. K sound is making. And if the sound, if the K is coming before N, then its sound is Na sound is. That means its sound is silent. First of all, you see KITE, kite.
KITE, kite.
KITTEN, kitten.
KITTEN, kitten.
You see there is no sound of N. That's why it is kite and kitten. Silent K when you see KNIFE, knife. Tell with me.
KNIFE, knife.
KNOW, no.
KNOW, no.
KNIGST, night.
KNIGST, night.
So you see K has come before N. That's why it sounds, K sound is silent here. Only up from no, we are making the sound of the word. That is the thing. Now O has 5 types of sound. You have to say with me. Okay. So O sound, you see MODE, mode. Tell me.
MODE, mode.
Next one is A. Now tell with me. SON, sun.
SON, sun.
You see A sound is sun. A sound is there. Next one is other.
Other.
OTHER, other.
OTHER, other.
Yes. Next one is A sound is there. So COT, cut.
COT, cut.
Cut. K sound. C is coming in the first. That's why its sound will be K all together. Cut. And next one is pot. POT, pot. Okay.
What?
Next one is bada u. That means u ki sound. Wolf.
Wolf.
Okay. Next one you see number 5, fifth sound is of the O is wo. Okay. So one ONCE, once.
ONNCE.
Once. And ONE, one.
ONE,
one. W sound is coming. Then Q sound you see. Q is the latter. Always Q is coming with you. Everywhere when you will be watching a word with Q, it will not come alone. It will bring you also with it. So you see UNIQUE, unique. Tell with me.
UNIQUE, unique.
Yes. Another word is this qua, queen. QUEEN, queen.
QUEEN, queen.
So these are the sounds. Queen. So Q is not coming quick. QU. Then quicker. QUICK, quicker. Like that sounds are coming with Q and U. Okay. These are the sounds we have to understand. So when there is Q, it will bring you also with it. It doesn't come alone any time in a word. So next word is S. S has 3 types of sounds. Okay. 3 types of sound. Sa, and sh. Tell with me. School. SCHOOL. School.
SCHOOL, school.
Then SMILE. Smile.
S-M-I-L-E, smile.
S-P-E-A-K, speak.
S-P-E-A-K, speak.
That is sir. Sir, you see, you have not to sir. You have to take away the sir. Okay. So you see, school, smile, sir sound is there. Now here you see sit, sir only. Sir, you have to find. You will find the sir. S-I-T, sit. Tell with me. S-I-T. Tell with me. S-I-T, sit.
S-I-T, sit.
Next one, it is the sugar. S-U-G-A-R, sugar.
S-U-G-A-R, sugar.
Sugar. Sir and sure. Three types of sound are coming in the S. Okay. Next one you can see T. T sound is there. T sound is there. So T sound are three types of sound. Okay. So T and the. T and the. Fully, completely you concentrate on the things I am telling. After that I will be asking you some questions regarding that. So T-I-G-H-T, tight. Tell with me.
T-I-G-H-T, tight.
Next one is the sound of the T is T. T-A-N-U, tanu.
T-A-N-U, tanu.
Next one is T-H, the.
T-H, the.
So three kinds of sounds are coming in the T. Tight, tanu, ta, and the. Three types of sounds are coming. Now U has 5 types of sounds. So U, A, U, U. So how it will be? P-U-L-L, pull. Tell with me.
P-U-L-L, pull.
P-U-T, put.
P-U-T, put.
S-H-U-T, shut.
S-H-U-T, shut.
C-U-T, cut.
C-U-T, cut.
B-U-T, butt.
B-U-T, butt.
U-N-C-L-E, uncle.
U-N-C-L-E, uncle.
Next one is A. You have to say B-U-Y, buy.
B-U-Y, buy.
Then U. Then J-U-N-E, June.
J-U-N-E, June.
Then U sound is there. So C-U-T-E, cute.
C-U-T-E, cute.
M-U-T-E, mute.
M-U-T-E, mute.
U-N-I-T, unit.
U-N-I-T, unit.
Okay, these are the sounds when U is coming every time according to the consonants, according to the position of the letters, sounds will be changing in the time of U. Now X, you see, X has 2 types of sound. One is K and K, and next one is Z. So K, how is coming? It's you see B-O-X, box.
B-O-X, box.
O-X, ox.
O-X, ox.
M-A-X, max.
M-A-X, max.
So next X sound is Z. So xylophone.
Xylophone.
Xerox.
Xerox.
Xylem.
Xylem.
So these are the sounds with coming Z. So Y, you see, Y has 4 kinds of sounds. You see, Y-U-C-K, yuck.
Yuck.
Y-E-A-R, year.
Y-U-C-K, yuck.
Y-E-A-R, year.
Y-E-A-R, year.
Then E, G-Y-M, gym.
G-Y-M, gym.
E, S-O-R-R-Y, sorry. E.
S-O-R-R-Y, sorry.
Next one is I, T-R-Y, try.
T-R-Y, try.
M-Y, my.
M-Y, my.
So these are the sounds. These are the sounds we have made here. We have known here. That is the sounds we have done. So regarding these sessions, I will be giving you some notes, and I will be asking some questions. I will be asking you in the next day. Okay.